This video brought to you by 300 Spartans, a new performance by Jake Majar and Yulia Besarab, coming soon.
Dancesport Championship 30th anniversary with legendary Boyko bringing you a new episode specially created for Emerald Ball industry trends. So, how are you, man, today?
I cannot complain. So we're in Emerald. We're celebrating 30 years. First of all, I want to say congratulations to Don and Wayne. It's amazing, and I'm very glad to be here and to be part of this event. Already 13 years for me. So
How many?
13.
13.
I'm following them. I'm trying to catch.
Wow. Okay, let's get down to business. So, what's right now in trends? What in fashion in terms of hair and makeup? Since you're so good at it.
I'm good or not, we don't know, but we'll keep working.
Yes,
on
we
it.
do know. But okay, what I'd love to have is practical advices, actually.
Yeah.
So
Practical advice. Let's first say what is fashion. For me, fashion is really doesn't exist fashion for me.
Okay.
For me, it's like who we are and what we want to show.
Okay.
So, but there is a trend. I agree with that. We can see, during my career, I can see how things change, and even in my work, the people around me work, so they change. Definitely, I agree with that. What is now? All these designs we are able to do on the base of the crimping. This is like
What is that? Hold on.
What is crimping? Okay. Crimping, every lady knows what is crimping. I guess you didn't ever crimp your hair, so you will never know.
All right.
So, anyway, on the base of the crimping machine iron, we are creating different designs. Is this fashion? Yes, it's fashionable now. It's fashionable. Is it trendy? It's trendy. But again, it doesn't mean if you don't do it that you're not fashionable or not trendy.
Okay.
Let's put
Fair
it this
enough.
way.
Yes. Okay. So what's in terms of a makeup?
The makeup is makeup. We are on the stage, so we're using strong makeup, way stronger than everyday makeup. But now we're going a little bit more about blending and to look more natural.
What do we blend? Hold on.
The makeup, the shade.
You have to dumb it down for me.
For you.
Yes.
Okay, we're talking about more natural look, more real, more smooth, more blend of the colors. But how I say to my client, what we're looking now, we're looking the full picture from far, because we're looking stage. And sometimes people mistake the things, let's say, with I want a blue, I want a green, I want a red. It's not about the colors. There is no trend in the colors, something like this. There's more about how we look on the stage from far.
That's true.
That's what I'm looking. That's why before was so dramatic white and black, yeah?
Okay.
People was trying to be visible from far. Now what we did, the difference, it's still strong makeup like before, but we're trying to blend everything to look more smooth and more real, to look good even close, not only from far. But again, we have the same contrast. We have the strong makeup, we have the smoky eyes, we have the strong colors of the lipstick, everything which is visible from distance, because audience is not next to you on the floor. So we are looking from far away the picture.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. You all work from 4 a.m. So to make all the ballroom look pretty. Ladies and gentlemen, stay for more insights.